Hi everyone, welcome to Chameleon Cloud, an NSF-funded testbed research system for computer science experimentation and education. This video will walk you through how to onboard as a new user who is a researcher or faculty at a university. First step is to go to chameleoncloud.org and click on the Get Started button. From here, you may create a new user account. You will need this account to be able to request projects or allocations. You may choose one of the institutions listed in the drop-down menu. If your institution is not listed here, you may click on the My Institution is Not Listed link. This will allow you to fill in your institution name. For the position or title, please go ahead and choose faculty, research staff, or non-research staff, or something that indicates that you are eligible to be a PI if you are not a student. If you are a graduate student, you may list this, and you may also be eligible for PI status. Remember, for the Request PI Eligibility checkbox, make sure that you only check it if you are a researcher or faculty at a university institution, or a graduate student who is funded. Please do not check this if you are part of a class or you're requesting an account so that you may be added to somebody else's project, such as an undergraduate student. After you click the register link, you should receive an email confirmation. This email confirmation has a confirmation code. You may click on it, and this will take you back to Chameleon Cloud. This allows you to verify your contact information, and at this point, your email has been verified. Follow the acceptable use policy and read it, and then click the Accept button at the bottom. At this point, you may not be able to manage your projects or add a new project or request a new project until a Chameleon administrator approves you for PI eligibility. Once your PI eligibility has been reviewed and you have been approved for PI eligibility, you should receive an email from the Chameleon admin email address that says that you are now eligible to be a PI. Inside the web portal, you may now add your project from the dashboard. If you need to return to the dashboard, simply click on your name in the drop-down on the far right side and click on Dashboard. You may now click the Manage Your Projects link. If you are PI eligible, you now have the ability to create a new project. You can click Create a New Project. Accept the project lead terms and conditions. You will now need to fill in the Create a New Project form. Please be descriptive in the abstract. Finally, click the I agree to abide by Chameleon Acceptable Use Policies checkmark. You'll be assigned a project ID automatically when you click the Create Project button. Your allocation is currently pending and will be approved by a Chameleon administrator. After your allocation has been approved, you will receive an email from the Chameleon administrator. You may have to log out of the dashboard and Chameleon Cloud portal and then log back in to see these changes. At this point, you can click on your project and manage it. You will see your allocation and the number of service units that you have used. If you run out of service units, you may click on the Recharge Extend Allocation button to request more service units. Finally, you may add additional users to your project. Every single user that is on your project, such as students inside of your education projects class, may use the resources in your project, including all images, all service units, and all objects inside of the object store. You will have to add these users manually by username. At this point, you should be able to log into the Chameleon Cloud Horizons interface. You may log into the Horizons interface either at TAC or the University of Chicago. If you are unable to log in, it takes a little while to propagate your user account to the Chameleon Horizons interface. Wait 20 minutes and then try again. Once you are able to log in, you should be able to see your project by project number. At this point, you may begin any of your computer science experimentation or education projects using Chameleon. If you require any technical assistance, you may click on the dashboard and then create an open ticket. Describe your problem and somebody from Chameleon will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any issues, please feel free to open up a ticket or email an administrator at help@chameleoncloud.org.